Today we're going to show you where your mattresses are made. This is our supply of wool that will be in your bed, keeping you cooler. Everybody's working hard to make your bed. We're here at the sewing department making the cover that goes on your mattress. It's important we believe in sleep and believe in our product and believe in our people. It's time to make the foundation for your bed using a solid pine foundation, but then adding our secret ingredient, the European slat. The slats are made by using several pieces of laminated beech, very flexible, almost impossible to break, but they allow us to tailor support to fit your curves, to give you a little more lower back support, but most importantly, controlling support and fitting your body. That's what we do with the European slats. It's not really the state-of-the-art factory. It's the A-team people who are making your product that are going to make your dreams come true.